Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurchasanah Husen. My registration number is C1M219057. Here, I will give an explanation about the methodology of the research in the research article that I have been mentioned earlier. This research is using qualitative research design, and the instruments are semi-structured interview and questionnaires. Next, the population of this research are students who attend universities in Saudi Arabia. So, for the sample, there are 401 students who become a participant in this research. To collect the data, the researcher divided into two phases. The first phase was held on January and April 2015. In this first phase, the researcher using semi-structured interview to collect data from 7 students. The interview is doing by the researcher in students' free time, so it will not become a distraction in students' learning on college. The second phase was held on November 2020. In this second phase, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, the researcher not using semi-structured interview anymore. So, the researcher using questionnaires, online questionnaires to collect the data from 394 students. The reason why the researcher using online questionnaire, not only because COVID-19 pandemic, but also the researcher want to make sure that the participants are consist of female and male students. To analyze the data, the researcher using Arabic language in every question, both in semi-structured interview and online questionnaires, to make students more comfortable to understand the question and to answer the question. So, after student answer every question, the researcher will translate the answers in English into English, and then the researcher divided into two groups. First group is the answer from students who agree with the using of first language in the second language learning, and another group is for the student who not agree with the using of first language in the second language learning. Okay, that's all about to analyze the data, because this is qualitative research design. The researcher just using interpretation to analyze the data. I think that's enough for me about methodology of this research. For the result, I will explain it in the next video. So thanks for the opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.